Hello everyone, welcome to Affiliate Stand. This is Danish, and this is my weekly update of my lead gen secret progress. So I'm just gonna log in and show you guys what has happened in the previous week. Alright, this is the dashboard. Now, first of all, I would like to show you my click-through rate. It's between I would say it's 10 on average, and it's picking up ever since New Year's Eve. The click-through rate is going up high, because before that, for about 10 days, people were not really opening their emails, or even if they opened it, they didn't click the link. So that's changing now, because everyone is out of the holiday mode, and hopefully by the end of January I'll have something to show. Okay, let's check the number of leads that I have collected so far through my lead gen secret. The number is 14,300. This is my third month, middle of third month to be precise, and so far I've collected $357 in commissions. And yeah, $357 in commissions. 278 have been paid out, 79 remaining. I'm just letting this accrue for a bit. Maybe by the end of the month I'll ask for a payout. Okay, last week my final sale last week was Scloto. Ever since Gloto signed up, I haven't been able to make a sale yet. I mean, my downline has made one sale, and there's been a recurring commission right over here and right over here. But as for my emails, they haven't closed any sales. So let's see what happens in the coming week. As I mentioned before, after New Year, things are a little slow during the last week of December and first few weeks of January. So I'm still optimistic about this month. I'm pretty sure by the end of the month I will have something to show. So that's it for my progress. And for those who are new to this channel and a video, I'm just gonna give a brief intro about my lead gen secret. It is an email marketing system. Sorry about this one now. Yeah. Oh, come on. Just hold on a second. This is an email marketing system. Let me show the system over here, where the system itself provides you permission-based leads of people who are interested in business opportunity offers and personal development offers as well. And this is the system. These are the leads where you are collecting leads. All you have to do is select over here, select all leads, and just load an email that you have already sent previously, or create a new one by entering a subject line, your text over here with links. You can hyperlink them, this button, and hyperlink the text with your affiliate ID with this button, and send the emails to hundreds and thousands of people who are willing to receive such emails. Now you can do this once a day, but there's no limit on how many email addresses you can send this email to. So number of contact is uncapped. There is no cap over that. And you can not only promote My Lead Gen Secret through the system, but you can promote any other offer from uh, platforms such as Warrior Plus, Amazon affiliates, ClickBank, and what's the last one I'm forgetting? Another one, JVZoo. Yeah. So you can promote wherever you want, and you can promote it once a day. But then again, how many times are you planning to bombard your email list in a day? Once is enough. So I think this is a perfect tool for people who are beginning their journey in affiliate marketing, even for veterans, because yeah, the leads that the My Lead Gen Secret is providing are top notch. They've been vetted, and they've been collected through surveys and squeeze pages and opt-in pages, and these people are willing to receive emails about business opportunity offers. So that's that. If you're interested, you can find the sign up link below this video in the description box, and yes, if you sign up, I will get commission. If you don't feel like doing that, you can always go to the website directly and sign up from there. Until next week, take care of yourself and others around you. Bye bye.